Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to the channel. It is our first full day on the Disney cruise. It's our day at sea, and we have started the day off coming to the Rainforest Spa because we booked this for the next few days. So Claire's just in the other room getting changed. I'm in my robe, ready to go. We're going to go outside now and get cracking and check it out. Wow. Start with cold mist and then go Siberian.
It's like being
Is that too much? That's cold. Was that cold mist, Mo? Yeah. Not Siberian? Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
Is that very cold?
Oh, that's a lot. Straight into one of these. So we got waterfall, warm rain, or knee.
Is that cold?
It's cold. Stop it. This is not relaxing. What the hell? I had hoped with warm rain. Oh, that's better. That's loads better. I can't even think. I'm going to say E.
Yep.
E, but D-I-double-P. I guess it's a silent K. N-E-I-double-P. I'm going to say E. Ah, nice again. You can tell it's hot because it's red. That's confusing. That's red hot. That's on cold. But no, you're supposed to stand under it. It's good for you. That's actually quite pleasant.
Yeah.
It's I can't see though.
See why I was covering my eyes?
That doesn't help. No. It's nice and fancy in here, eh?
It's not too bad. Now I'm getting used to the Caribbean, Miami.
It's alright once you're in. It's not too that warm. I imagine I'll get warmer as we go. So, oh, that's hot. Next up, Laconia. This one's got a warm floor and beautiful views. That's gorgeous. The Caribbean Sea. You can kind of see the bridge. You see some of the controls that they used to drive the ship. You were right towards that. Run for it. And we're just hopefully going to be warm like with us. Oh, there's steam already.
Oh dear Lord.
Oh, that's loads better.
This is what I do. This is too much.
No, this is what I need to do. The other one's a bit. It's all over the walls. This is nice. This is the relaxing we were advertised.
I'm not used to facility if you're experiencing diarrhea.
It's a good job I'm not. Swivel.
It's a swelch.
Oh, that is hot. That's like a bath. Wavy. Me looking like a redneck with my hair down. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, I'm gonna fall. Oh, that's. So I have made a discovery. I was enjoying relaxing so much I didn't realise there are controls. So we've got temperature, so we can up the temperature. We can put lights on. You can see now we've got some yellow lights, blue lights, red lights, green lights. I feel like I'm in Squid Game. Now flashy lights. But the most important one we've got is jets. Hello, hello, hello. Hot tub time. Now it is.
Right on my back, that's beautiful.
Now it is a hot tub. Ah. If you come on the green by the Rainforest Spa. Pass. Oh. We're going to be here for a while, aren't we? We'll definitely catch you guys later. Oh. Some lemon water just to finish off.
You should be hydrated. Absolutely been sweating.